Hey guys, Dean here. I want to go through one of my favorite products today. This is our bush cooking, basically 6-person cutlery roll. Now, really nice, compact cutlery roll, got everything that you need in it. So easy to store anywhere. Instead of roller drawers or any easy storage place in your vehicle, camper trailer, caravan, you name it. So what you'll notice is it's made with our same high quality canvas that we use on our rooftop tents and our awnings. It's a 460 gram polycotton canvas, ripstop as well. And what that is, it's mildew rot proof. So even if this gets wet, being in the kitchen area, it's easy to wipe off and clean as well. Other than that, got this really nifty looking straps. That's high-end webbing we use there, carry handle. Now, when you open up one of these, let me show you what it's all got inside of it. So basically laying it out, which is dead simple, open up your flap, which keeps everything in place and stops it from sliding out when rolled. As you can see, really high quality stainless steel product out of South Africa. You've got your teaspoons, your dish up spoons or your eating spoons, basically your forks. You've got your butter knives on this end and our legendary steak knives over there. So they are in their protective sheaths, as you can see. There's your serrated steak knife so that we are not cutting open the canvas or anything like that. So full set, great high quality. For a lot of us, probably better than the quality of our products that we have at home. So for more information on our 6-person cutlery roll, make sure you check out the rest of the details on the website at www.thebushcompany.net. Thanks for watching and don't forget to go bush. Catch you later.